Hi, this is Catherine Duran. We are Weather Monitoring Group number 2, and we are collaborating with 5th grade teachers in Michigan. Project-based learning. Project-based learning calls for a more hands-on and creative classroom in which not only students but also the teacher create their own learning. By using project-based learning, students come up with ideas and questions they want to learn about, but the teacher guides the students. The purpose of this is to engage students in real-world activities and experiences to learn how to work collaboratively, to solve problems, and to develop 21st century skills using technology. Teacher, when designing project-based learning, focuses on the big idea of the project. In other words, teacher needs to look at the main concepts and skills she wants the students to learn. Many teachers use Black as a way for students to learn. With Blacks, they can communicate with each other, create a cultural awareness, and share ideas. For example, in the lesson plan, students will learn about seasons, the cause of seasons, and the term solstice and equinox. As the students learn, they will use the Black to communicate, submit assignments, and learn about how to use technology. Project-based learning helps develop learning dispositions in students, such as attitudes, habits, characteristics, and skills. Using Blacks as a project-based learning is very helpful for both students and the teacher.
Hi there, students, parents, guardians, families, and whoever else may be listening on this week's podcast. I am Josh, one of your students' 5th grade teachers. Our class project is going great so far, and I would like to give you a little more information behind it. Once we decided on a topic for our class project, we used a program called Inspiration to create an asset concept map. Asset concept maps are one element of project-based learning. They help us reveal the resources and talents a team can put for a project. What we did was put our central idea, weather monitoring, in the middle, and then create an inventory of material goods, strengths, and talents, branching off from this main idea. This helped us see what jobs each of us can do and what we will need to do in a visual format. To tell you a little bit more about what we are doing with our project, I would like to introduce you to the aspect of creating weather journals. We're hoping that these will help get you as the parent and guardian involved. What students will be doing is monitoring the weather and recording their findings in the weather journals. They will analyze this information, comparing it to professionals' findings. We will be recording this data for a span of 2 weeks. We'll be sending home a newsletter with more information in the near future.
This is Sam, another teacher from Weather Monitoring Group 2. In this unit, we are going to learn about clouds. I provided a hot list, which is a Word document with websites on it that links to the internet links, where we can monitor the websites that the students go on. We learned about the different characteristics of cumulus, cirrus, and stratus clouds, and their sub-branches of those clouds. From there, the students researched thunderstorms, and we posted the sites that we found useful in our wiki. The wiki was a web document that allows you to make comments about the different types of internet resources that you used. See you next week on the next podcast.